Welcome to Man That's Cooking. In this video, we're going to show you how to make German potato salad. Oh yes, this is an easy recipe and it's delicious. You're going to love this. Alright, first we're going to start by dicing one whole white onion. And just make these slices like so. Turn the onion. Here's an overhead view. Just leave one of the ends on and chop away. Next we're going to chop up about a half a pound, and this is maybe about 6 to 8 thick slices of bacon, and we're going to use this to make bacon bits. And after you chop your bacon, go ahead and break it apart so it's not all stuck together when you're cooking it. Next, we've got 3 pounds of red potatoes, and we're going to submerge that in cold water. And then we're going to add about 1 tablespoon of kosher salt and turn the burner on high. And at the same time, we've got the bacon on a medium heat, and we're starting to cook it up. Now, once your potatoes start boiling, dial the heat back to about medium-high and let them cook for another 20 minutes. So when your bacon starts to bubble like this, like it's having its own foam dance party and you are not invited, it's pretty much done. Now you want to take a spoon with holes and remove half the bacon, and of course dump this onto some paper towels so you can absorb the grease. Now some recipes call for removing half the grease as well, but not here. This is Man That's Cooking. Pop a cholesterol pill, you're going to be fine. Next we're going to add the diced white onions and give it a stir until everything's nice and mixed up. And once you get everything mixed well together, add in the white sugar, the kosher salt, and the black pepper. And after you do that, give it a good stir again. Now once you get that all mixed together well, add the vinegar. And we're also going to add French Dijon mustard. Oh no! To a German potato salad? Oh oui. So after 20 minutes or so, check on your potatoes using a knife, and if they slide right off nice and easy, they're done. So drain the water out carefully, and you want to let these sit for about 20 minutes. So after a 20-minute cool down period, go ahead and use a sharp knife and peel these potatoes. Now you could leave these potato skins on, but they're really papery. It's not too edible. You're not going to like it unless you're into fiber. And who knows, maybe you enjoy eating phone books. So if that's you, go ahead and leave the paper skin on. So the best thing to do is cut these potatoes into quarters. We didn't quite do that on the first one here, but we'll show you right here. Cut 1/2 into half and then chop it like that. That's about the size that you want. So when you're done with that, pour on your bacon. Yes, it's all coming together now. So give everything a really good stir. Make sure you get every little potato coated with the bacon fat. And once this is all done, we're going to add the half of the reserved bacon bits that we put aside. And just sprinkle that on top. Make it look natural. And when you're finished with that, go ahead and add the chopped parsley. And you can also add chopped chives if you have those handy. Food porn flyover. Take a look at that. Is that delicious or what? Hey, bring this to a party and you're definitely getting invited back. Well, maybe not you, but your potato salad will. And that's saying something about this recipe and about you. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video or you hate it, let us know why in the comments. Subscribe, visit our website,